think about you.
Hey loves, welcome back. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, but you are true to this, welcome back to another video. So we are here with another glueless wig install. Y'all know I've been on this kick. Y'all, listen. Ever since these companies started slaying these lace closures, the way that they have been doing, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. It takes me 10 minutes to put on my hair. What are you talking about? And it's laid and slayed like this. What are you talking about? I tried something new today. I went for a soft brown chocolate color. This is very much new for me, but I'm loving it. I think it's so beautiful. It's so like soft. It's just giving like a sultry. I don't know, but it's kind of making me want to try like something red now. It's giving me red, burgundy. I don't know. If you guys want to learn more about this exact unit and to see how I install it, then definitely make sure you stay tuned. Super huge thank you to Asteria here for sponsoring today's video. Hey guys, so we're ready for our install process. I already have my hair prepped under this wig cap. So again, super huge thank you to Asteria here for sponsoring today's video. So my unit did come in this box. So this is how your wig will come to you. So I did get a 5x5 lace closure wig. It's supposed to be ready to wear. It's 180% density in the cap size medium. So this is how your unit gets to you, and of course we know we always get some goodies. So we have this satin bag that you can store your unit in. Comes with a melt band, a wig cap, some lashes, and an edge brush. The huge that you will get with your wig. So I went for something a little different this time. I really want to try some different looks this year. I want to get out of my typical normal comfort zone. So I wanted to try a brown wig. So this is the wig. It's not as brown. Actually, no, this is giving. I'm lying. No. I like this. Okay. I think I can't really see the true color in here with the lights that I have on, but so this is like a chocolate brown wig. This is my first time ever doing like chocolate brown because you guys know I dye my hair black all the time. So I was like, well, let me try. But this is the wig. So again, it is a 5x5 lace closure wig. As you can see, it's pre-plucked, pre-parted for you. And it also is pre-bleached. So this is the wig right out the cap. Oh, and that looks so good. That looks really good. But I want to show you guys the construction. So again, it's a 5x5 lace closure. It comes with the adjustable band inside, and it has the 2 wig combs on the side, 1 in the back, and you have adjustable straw. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a contour shade of concealer and cover my lace. Go ahead and install this and put my wig grip on. This fits so good. Like usually the air tabs, no matter what I do, they are never in the place they're supposed to be, but y'all, it's like perfect. They're not hurting, like they're perfect. So we got all the lace off, looking good already. This is already super flat, as you can see. This is straight out of the, this is super flat, but I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb. So this is what it looks like. I'm really set on making this glueless. So I'm gonna go in with my contour concealer shade again. and shade in the very outer part of the lace to help that blend in and get away off of that shadow basically. And I'm gonna drag it in like that. This is what it's looking like. Completely glueless so far. Alrighty, so you know how we do with the baby hairs. I'm gonna go right here at the corner. Okay, edges are done. I already started combing them out, but these are the curls that the unit already comes in. All right, you guys, so I'm just removing like the shed hairs from when I was cutting and stuff like that, but I want to see what these curls are giving. Alrighty, so the curls in the back is actually good. I really just need to restyle these because I want them falling a different way. Okay, that looks so much better in the front. So let me go ahead and do this this other side. Why is this style like actually really cute? Like, take out a couple of the curls. Why, guys? I'm feeling this brown. I can't even lie. I low-key want to curl the rest of this hair. I'm like, girl. Okay guys, so I'm done with the curls. I'm not gonna comb them out because I actually like how it's looking right now. This is surprisingly very cute. And I don't know why, I always thought like brown hair would make me look so ashy because my natural hair color is very much very brown. But this is making me rethink all of my jet black dyeing days. I don't know, but this, I feel like it just makes everything about my face and my features just seem a lot more like softer. I don't know what it is. I am pleasantly surprised at this color. But this is beautiful. Look at the hairline. Completely glueless. Completely glueless. Like, they ate this up. The color is beautiful even from the roots out. Like, it's so natural. Like, baby, they ate this up. It even came with a little front bump that I don't even really know how to do that well. I'm missing one thing. We gonna get this part together. I almost forgot about that. So this is the finished look, you guys. This literally took me like 15 minutes to install. Are you kidding me? I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh, this is me in the gym all day. This, oh my god, this is so cute. You guys, I'm actually like very like pleasantly, I'm surprised the color actually, like I feel the way that I feel about the color. This unit is like beautifully constructed. If you get your right cap size, you're good to go. This is a medium. It fits perfectly. Like the ear tab is not like pressing down on my ear. It's not gonna give me a headache. It literally fits right over my ears. It's not coming like, you know, in front of my hairline. I could do my edges here. This wig is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And I love the length that I got it in. It's 18 inches. So yeah, when it comes to color, I feel like going shorter is always better because it's just not as much color and it's not as drastic. But this is beautiful. Like, this is so soft. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised by this color. Is it even a big difference for you guys, or do you just feel like, girl, that just looks like normal, just your regular everyday thing? I don't know. I feel like the brown makes my features look real softer. I just got here. This is different. I like it. I like it. So this is fresh out the box, first impressions. I absolutely love this. I think this is super cute. If you guys are interested in this unit, definitely make sure you check out the description box. I will have all the links and any coupon codes that I have for y'all. But yeah, girl. Cute. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Again, if there's any looks that you guys are curious to just see me try out in this era that I'm in of trying out different styles, let me know. Like, give me some looks to try out, y'all.